Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the clip into the timeline and selecting it. This is where any speed change begins. Make sure your clip has enough handles, extra frames at start or end, so transitions and trims remain smooth. Once selected, look at the toolbar above the preview. The speed control icon will appear. You're doing this to retain visual continuity and avoid jump cuts. Now that the clip is active and you see the speed icon, you're ready for the precise adjustments next. Once the speed controls are visible, pick a preset or choose custom for precise timing. You want measurable results, so use the slider or enter a duration. If you speed up, clips shorten. If you slow down, they lengthen. Watch the timeline for ripple effects. Make sure to toggle preserve pitch if you still need intelligible audio, otherwise voices will chipmunk or deepen. After adjusting, play the clip to confirm pacing and sync with other elements. Refine until movement and audio feel correct. Finish by trimming surrounding clips so the timeline flows and no empty gaps remain. This keeps your edit seamless. If audio sounds wrong, detach it and either retime independently or replace it with a new track. This avoids distorted speech. Make sure to render or export a short test to check frame blending and motion smoothness. If you see jitter, toggle frame blending or change export frame rate. If that fails, revert to a smaller speed change and rebuild from the original clip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.